Hello students, today in this video I am going to show you a practical experiment which tests the food substances by using certain reagents. The heading is tests for food substances. It is for standard 9, class 9, date 16/10/20. Serial number is not important. If you have noted the previous ones, you can give the next serial number. Aim: chemical identification tests for starch, sugar, that means sucrose, protein and fat. We'll do the simple experiments for all those: sugar, starch, protein and fat. Requirements: the food samples, starch powder we have taken, starch suspension, sugar solution, egg emulsion and coconut oil as fat. The reagents required: iodine solution, that is for starch, phthalate 1 and 2 for sugar, hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. We actually take sodium NH4OH, not sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, that is also a base, Milon's reagent and white paper. So let us start the test. The description first you note down. Test for starch: the starch suspension, we add iodine solution. When we add iodine solution, it turns blue-black color, dark blue color. If dark blue color appears, it is starch confirmed. We take for sucrose, it is little complicated. Sucrose solution we take, first we add hydrochloric acid, then we heat it. After heating we cool it. After that we are adding not NH4OH, that means a base, NH4OH, and then we add phthalate 1 and phthalate 2, then we heat. If we do that, first when we add phthalate 1, phthalate 2, it will be green, precipitate will come. When we heat it, then slowly that green precipitate will turn orange-red. Green precipitate turning dark orange, or orange-red or brick red. This is the conformation of sugar. Number 3, test for protein. It is a simple test. We take some drops of egg emulsion, add Milon's reagent, that's sufficient for it, and then we heat it. When we add the Milon's reagent, it gives a white precipitation. This white precipitation, when you heat, slowly that will turn in brownish red. This is the proof of the presence of protein. Protein confirmed. Finally, fat test is very easy. You can do it at home as well. Take a sample of food and rub it in a plain paper. You will see the paper turns greasy. Hold it in the sun or hold it through a light towards a light source. You will see the light is passing through it. It is translucent. Paper turns greasy and translucent. That is the confirmation of fat. Now let us test one by one each one of these what we have written. Please write down this one so that you can follow it. First of all, we will take starch solution. It is not solution actually, it is suspension. Starch is not soluble in water, it is making a kind of suspension. Now we are adding iodine solution. This is the iodine solution. We are slowly adding it and see the color change. See, dark blue, blue-black color. This is called blue-black color. This blue-black color is the proof of the presence of starch. So that is number 1. Next we take sugar solution. This is a solution of sugar, sucrose. Then we add hydrochloric acid. This is hydrochloric acid. Now I am adding a little of it. You have to be very careful with hydrochloric acid. Then we have to heat it. So for heating, I have to burn this spirit lamp. burn the spirit lamp and hold this test tube in a test tube holder and heat it for a while. We will wait till the bubbles are coming up. We will not boil it, but we will heat it. It will not be boiling, but when bubbles will come, I will remove it, then we will cool it. Here is bubble coming, you can clearly see. Now we remove it and then we put out this one, and then we have taken a mug of cold water. We'll cool it there. We'll cool it. After cooling, we will neutralize this one with ammonium hydroxide solution. Ammonium hydroxide will neutralize it. After doing this, we will add one by one, Fehling 1 and Fehling 2. This is Fehling solution number 1. Fehling solution number 1, to reduce the amount a little bit. It has become a little much, too much. Okay, Fehling solution number 1 added. And then this is Fehling solution number 2. We'll add Fehling solution number 2. Slowly, you will see that green precipitate is coming at the top. Slowly, the green precipitate is coming at the top. When we shake it, green precipitate is coming. And when it is green precipitate, now again we will heat it. So I burn the spirit lamp again. When we heat it, it will slowly change its color. We'll heat this green precipitate. Just a little wind is coming, so it will take some time. See, slowly, orange color is appearing. See this orange color there? This is orange red or brick red. This is the proof of the presence of sugar. So this is the sugar test. Next we will test for protein. This is the protein emulsion. We will add Milon's reagent to it. This is Milon's reagent. This is Milon's reagent. We will add to it. Milon's reagent slowly forming the white precipitate. Just a minute. This is the Milon's reagent providing you white precipitate. and white precipitate will be turning brownish red when we heat it. Let us see. It's a test tube hold up. See that brownish red color appears. This is the proof of presence of protein. And finally, we will see, this is the white paper. It's a very simple test for fat. White paper I have taken. I will take a drop of coconut oil to it. One drop. Let me take one more drop. Here it is. I have taken 2-3 drops, and then I will rub it. When I shall rub it, the paper turns greasy, and if you pass through the light, it is appearing translucent. Look at that, how light is passing. This is the test for fat substance. So here we go, the food substances: sugar, starch, protein, fat. Thank you.